it pops. I'm going to install a Wi-Fi light here for me. Yeah, Kasa. See how it goes.
Which one?
Down here.
This one
Yeah,
outside?
this off your outside.
Wow.
What happened? How you tell me what happened? So pops are distinguished between the wires, the ground, the neutral, the line and the load. Yeah, practically, let me know where I'm at this. 1, 2, 3. But what me I get to understand is the grounds and the neutral in a Jamaica are practically the same thing. But true is a foreign plug. They must say we need the neutral, but pops practically connect the grounds and the neutral together. Yeah, all my life knowing my father doing this job, I never see him lock off a brake or wear a gloves. Yo, this man is crazy. Yeah, so in the meantime, just subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and in the future you can go ahead and watch some other videos, leave a comment. Yeah. Alright, so pops connect up the switch so can ensure say the switch works properly. So as you can see the Wi-Fi light blinking. So all the wires are connected. So pops will go ahead and install the switch in the wall. So practically I try line up the switch them so we can put on the switch covers. Yeah, so it can flush into the wall and look nice. So that's the quick installation of the Wi-Fi switch. Yeah man, bought it on Amazon. We'll put it in the link below. But yo, thanks for watching my video. Like and subscribe.